Just the repair of an overlap. The side lap should be 100 millimeters, the head lap 150. For some reason, contractors do not fully bond the overlap. They do partial sealing, and sometimes you find that the overlap is only sealed partially. As you can see here, this lap is not 100% sealed. You do not see bitumen flowing out, so the guy took a shortcut. So for us to come back and repair it, there's a simple way. You heat up your torch, your truffle with your torch. And you wedge it in there. It's now hot. And you go up to a point where you lift it a little bit. You melt the bitumen. And you nicely finish it till your bitumen squeezes out. And wait for it to cool off, and that lap should last the period you want it to last, hopefully 10 years. So that is a repair on the overlaps. Let's do a repair on a damaged area. Someone came and they scuffed it and they made a hole in your waterproofing. Let's call it the cable guy that came and did the antenna installations. So what I would then do is I will do what we call a star cut. I'll open that Torchon, star cut that Torchon. I'll put in my little truffle, open it 100% up. And I'll heat it up. Then I'll plonk it down again, looking like a real dog's breakfast. Molten bitumen all over. If you feel like it, you can take an old piece of Torchon, heat it up, scrape the excess product, fill the little holes. You can let that cool down. Once it's cooled down, you can take a nice little 5-liter drum circle. We're going to put that right in position. And this, we're going to seal right around. Always making sure we're getting a bit of squeeze out of molten bitumen, calling it the bead. Sorry, just move around a bit. I prefer a round patch repair to a square patch repair because a square can lift up easily in the corner. It's more difficult for a round patch to get lifted up. And it looks neat and people can see that you've done a good job.